When it comes to growing long healthy hair, best believe I am ready. I am ready to do all the trends out there just to see my hair getting to waist length. So today we are going to be trying to be making a hair tea. Yes, a hair tea, and we are going to be using the herbs we have in the house. So apparently I've been doing a lot of research on these herbs. I definitely do not have all of them. I only used what was locally available, but the next time I am going to be adding some moringa, some anster something, some baobab, some bay leaves, some rosemary. I do not know how I forgot to buy rosemary. I do not know. Okay, so what we are using today, we are going to be using some cloves, some black seeds, some fenugreek, hibiscus powder, lemongrass, and some mint powder. Don't worry, I already wrote down all the benefits for you, and today we are just doing a simple hair tea. If my hair doesn't grow this year, oh my goodness, I do not know. Apart from growing hair, I really want my hair to be healthy and thick. Okay, I choose thickness over length anytime. I want thicker hair. Give me thicker hair. I know my hair can grow long, but I want it to be thicker. Oh my goodness. So we're going to be doing this experiment. So all I did was mix up all the herbs together and then put them in some boiling water, and then I let them simmer for a few minutes. Okay, as simple as that, and then we're done. I am going to wait it for it to cool down, and then I am going to use it to moisturize my hair. Okay, I am using these as a hair moisture. Instead of using plain water during my moisturizing session, I decided to start using hair tea. Okay, so I've watched a few creators saying that their hair grew like crazy when they started doing tea rinses. They started using herbs in their hair, and I'm like, I mean, there is no harm in trying. Okay, so let me also try, because I need my hair to grow as thick and longer. But remember, in as much as we want our hair to grow all the way to waist length, you also need to have a good hair care routine. Okay, you need to be cleaning your hair, you need to be conditioning your hair, you need to be hydrating and moisturizing your hair. We are going to be tackling that on the next video, because I am about to clean my hair. It's wash day, baby. And who said wash day has to be hectic? Absolutely nobody. So and I do not know who gave me the good idea to mix all my herbs and powders together. Oh my god. I don't know, I don't think this was the brightest idea, but I still did it anyway, because I saw when they were on these brown paper bags, they were oozing the oils in them, and I'm like, no, I'm not ready to lose any juices. All of them need to go to my hair. I think the next step will be making a hair growth oil with all these herbs. My hair is about to be tea. So stick around and find out. I am going to be leaving this video for here for today, and I'll see you in the next one, as I am showing you how to use these hair tea. Okay, because we have already made it. Like, it's so simple. All right, you don't even have to break the bank. Literally everything I bought here was like for 50 shillings. Pack a package. You just go tell them wakupe me here for 50 bob, and then you're good, and done. So see you in the next one, as we are using this hair growth tea, because you need a hair to be long, healthy, and shiny. And remember, health over length. Make sure each and every time you're prioritizing the health of your hair. And I am going to be sharing my hair care routine, because you do not need to break the bank for that. I'm going to be sharing you the cheapest products and the good products that are out there in the market. So stick around. Bye. It's been your girl at B2B. See you in the next one.